Hey guys, Adam Segan, Myrtle Beach Home Buyers. I got a question for you. Have you unintentionally become a landlord? This place here we bought because someone unintentionally became a landlord. Essentially, she bought this with her finances, trying to help a friend or family member out, and they were supposed to pay her back. And of course, you know what happens with good intentions, right? It doesn't always work out that way. And so now she's left chasing her money with a damaged building or apartment and not sure how to get herself out of this. So she gave us a call. We bought this place, fixed it, flipped it, right? It's gonna go back on the market. But the point of this is a lot of times people end up either with properties that they intended on using for vacation homes and then they don't. And so they kind of pad the expense of that, right? Do long-term rentals, and then they're out of state. They have a tough time recouping their money because people don't pay, and it's reciprocal because they're not here to handle it. Or they try and help a friend or family member out, like in this case, and they don't pay. And because they feel bad, it kind of goes on for a while until they eventually have no choice but to handle it. And now they're left with the financial burden of trying to figure out what to do with this place. So in any case, we bought this, made it painless and easy. And if you find yourself in that position, we'd love to help. Give us a call, click on the link below, come down, take a look at your place, and hopefully we can come to some sort of terms that make good sense for the both of us and help you with that problem.